Okay, let's take a look at the peritoneum and the peritoneal membranes, the visceral and the parietal peritoneum now. So if you remember, most of the organs in the human body, whether they're in the abdomen, the pelvis, or the thoracic cavity, are double bagged. The innermost membrane is called the visceral whatever. In this case, it's peritoneum, because if you hear peritoneal, it applies or it refers to the abdominal pelvic cavity. Just like pleural refers to the lungs and the chest, peritoneal refers to the abdominal pelvic cavity. So the visceral peritoneum is the portion of the membrane that surrounds and directly touches individual organs, whereas the parietal peritoneum, pariet, the root word for it means wall. The parietal peritoneum is the portion of the membrane that's attached to the outer wall of the abdominopelvic cavity. So in all actuality, it's a single membrane that's folded in on itself. Okay, so it's a special kind of like double bagging. So again, visceral peritoneum is the innermost, parietal peritoneum is the outermost, and in between the two, there's a potential space. And in that potential space, there's a little bit of fluid that acts to lubricate those two membranes, because those two membranes need to glide against each other, because we're not just sitting here like statues, we're moving, constantly moving. So they're constantly rubbing against each other. When there's an infection, or when those two membranes get irritated and the visceral pleura and the visceral peritoneum, I misspoke, and the parietal peritoneum are irritated, you then have peritonitis. Itis is inflammation. Okay, so most of these organs are double wrapped with the peritoneal membranes, except, for example, look at the kidneys. So in this picture here, this is a cross section of the human right up here in the abdominal cavity. Okay, we're slicing through the liver and the stomach here. Now here's the spinal cord, and so that means the patient is prone. The patient is face down. So up here is posterior, down here is anterior. Now, how do we figure out right and left? Well, the liver, if you remember, is in the right upper quadrant primarily. So here's the liver. This means this is the patient's right. This means that this is the patient's left, which means that the patient is laying on their stomach. They're prone with the head coming out towards you. So the head is coming out of the screen, feet are in the screen this way. Okay, so look at the kidneys here. This is the right kidney, this is the left kidney. They're actually called retroperitoneal because they are behind the peritoneal cavity. They're posterior to it. They are not double bagged. So they're in the retroperitoneum.